Samsung has struck gold with the Galaxy A56 5G. This phone comes as a really well-balanced package with great performance and a camera that blows almost every other mid-range phone. The Samsung next Galaxy A57 5G is one of the best mid-range phones we've looked at and has the best camera phone you can find in the mid-range segment with its impressive camera sensor. Featuring a 50MP wide, a 12MP ultra-wide, a 57 RAM Geekbench, the Exynos 1680T managed a single-core score of 1311 and a multi-core score of 4347 in Geekbench. The Galaxy A57 that ran the benchmark had 12GB of RAM and ran Android 16. The Galaxy S25 sports a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with support for HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, offer a 120Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy A57 has a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 45W fast wired. The Samsung Galaxy A57 details suggest that the phone will launch in India around June 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.